love to hang it up in my room.
But I'm more brown than you.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
Mama's video.
He's so neat about it.
Sort of.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. What is it?
It's kind of a toy for older boys, but
Okay, thank you.
it makes noise. And I'm gonna play with it once he opens it. So.
Thank you. Oh,
Still doesn't know that Bo's okay.
look. Oh, wow. What is it?
He's like,
Uncle Brady's really going to have to get that out of the box. Hyper lighting. What's that mean?
I don't know. It's got hyper lighting.
That's what it said.
Sweet.
Does it make noise? Look, press there. Yay! Look, press right here.
That's pretty much all you can do with it.
Oh, wow.
That's cool. No, it's right here.
He wants to take it out of the box.
Yeah, he does.